Hello everyone, Miss Devika here, coming to you from the Lompoc Boys and Girls Club. Hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm coming to you with an easy do-it-yourself at-home art project, and today we will be making a popsicle stick puzzle. So first of all, what you will need is popsicle sticks, of course, a pencil, tape, paint, and a paintbrush. If you do not have paint or a paintbrush, you can use markers. So, step number one for this activity is to gather about 10 popsicle sticks. You're gonna line them up, either vertically or horizontally, either way is fine. And then you are going to tape them down on one side. Once they are taped down to where they're not gonna fall apart or move, then you're good to go. You're gonna then flip it back over. You're gonna use your pencil to outline whatever shape, and this can be an abstract art project to where you use just shapes, or you can do animals. I chose to do a butterfly because it's spring and I like butterflies. So you can do whatever your heart desires. So you then want to trace and outline whatever it is you choose to draw. Step number 3 is to apply paint and paint your object or whatever it is that you choose to draw. I added a little extra detail and I used paint for all of the body of my butterfly. I decided to use a marker for the body and for the antennae. If you are going to use markers, just keep in mind that markers do bleed a little bit depending on what type of markers you use. If you're going to be using Sharpies, I would suggest using the fine tip, just because they tend to bleed less. And if you're not using Sharpies and just usually using the regular markers, these don't tend to bleed as much, but just keeping that in mind. And then once you are finished, you remove the tape from the back and you have yourself your own homemade puzzle. Little fun thing, you just can throw the pieces up in the air and let them land where they may and time yourself on how fast you can put them together. If challenge maybe your brother and sister to a duel and see who can put it together the fastest. There's a couple more examples of other kids projects, and just to give you some ideas and inspirations as to what you can do. And there you go. And that's it for today's do-it-yourself art project. Hope you all are doing well. We miss you, all of our kids and our members at the Boys and Girls Club in Lompoc. We miss you guys. Be well and tune in next time.